In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bills in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to click on the plus button top left where it says Create, and then from here under Vendors, you want to click on Bill. Now, in here, you'll be able to then create a bill, so you have to select the vendor. I'm going to choose one over here. I'm going to click on this one, for example. This is just some random data I have over here in this QuickBooks account. And then here, of course, you can select your terms. You can then select your bill date, due date, and then the bill number as well. Then over here, you can go and select category. So category details, descriptions, amounts. I'm just going to go and do something random over here, like 1. And then customer is going to be, for example, this one like that. There we go. Then I'm going to do the second one over here, completely random as well. Amount, I'm going to do like 20. And then, of course, I'm going to do a customer is going to be something else, etc. Okay. So we can add this in here like that. And then you have item details as well, where you can basically select your items like this and select customers as well. Then you have, of course, options to add more of them, so you can add as many as you want over here. I'm going to do amount, I'm going to do like 40, there we go. And then of course, whenever you're finished with this, you can go to the second part down here where you can add a memo, attachments if you want to, and then whenever everything looks good, you can just click on the save button bottom right, and there we go, you've successfully added a bill in QuickBooks Online. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.